Parit Vasantarnik College Shada. Today in this video our online lectures for TYBC Geology students, we discuss about this today's lectures unit number first, that is introduction of paste. In introduction of paste, already in yesterday in first lectures to discuss about the course number 6 Ju 506A paste management, to discuss about the whole syllabus of this course. Dear friends, I discuss or explanation about the first unit of this course. The unit number 1 is the introduction to paste. We directly discuss about the first unit to know about the main our class. This course will be also introduced the KBC NME Jalgaon and BOSA member, why it's important things of these subjects for the special level of the student or principal level of the student in TYBC Geology, because after completion of the TY basic course, the student will be get degree in degree level college or degree level education. The any subject has get the perfect or good knowledge, and it is the specific knowledge of the particular subjects are most important in your futures to use as your self-employment. So first we know about every student, you have admission for the TYBSc Geology, because it has most usefulness or objectives of this subject as well as course is most important, because in principal level or special level the student will be selected by the many more subjective courses, that is chemistry, physics, maths, mathematics, botany, also as a biochemistry, microbiology, electronics. So out of these courses are most important in every fields. So the student we have selected the principal subject geology, its most important role to which subject skills are get the useful in your future as well as your regular utilization your work. So this course of paste management is objectives to most important, because the each and every students has skills in observation and study of nature. The particular subjects we have knowing what type of the skills to important for your study point of view. Second objective is to inoculate interest in adopting biological control strategies for the pest control, because in this course the student has first known about what is mean pest, and pest in simple it is called as a harmful insects. In Marathi it is called as उपद्रवी कीडे. तर मी बायलिंग्वली तुमच्यासाठी डिस्कस करेल की ह्या कोर्सची विद्यापीठाने TYBSc जिओलॉजी लेवल यासाठी का निवड केली असेल, तर आपली विद्यापीठ ही 3 जिल्हे मिळून, that is Jalgaon, Dhule and Nandurbar. Out of these 3 districts, it is also called as Khandesh. In Khandesh, the main work of the many more people as a farming, and is the farm works student had studied in this command area of this university. Automatically the student will be completion for your this course. We have used your strategy, your skill to pest control. Next objective is to know various pests affecting our local crops and select the best method of their control. The every student has a use which type of the methods are controlling the particular pest in local area are attacking and to get this control. Next, after completion of this course, the student will be get a self-employment. Next is the learning outcomes. So, the student who have admission for the TYBC Zoology and complete this course in 1 year to student get outcomes. To successful completion of this course, students are expected impart the basic awareness regarding pest problem and crop loss due to their domains. The student understand various pests affecting our local crops and select the best method for their control. And the every student has a basic knowledge and skills in agriculture management to enable the learner for self-employment. So the specific or various kinds of the pest also in local area has damaging to the economic crop of the farmer. At this time, the student has to know which type of the pest, your life cycle, and also your nature of damage and control activity are also known. So in first, the student also to get acquires in specific you to introduction to the pest. First, the every student has known about or concept about the pest. First, the pest in simple definition is nothing but the harmful insects. In a universe, there are the class Insecta is a large invertebrate animals which are included in the phylum Arthropoda and class Insecta. In class insects, there is a useful insects as well as harmful insects. So useful insects are most important role to get in nature as a pollination. That is, best example is the honeybee, dependents of the butterflies, moths are important role into the pollination and to get the higher yielding of the crop to the farmer. The harmful insects, we also damages to human beings, economic crops and domestic animals. Pest can be defined as any organism, plant and animal whose population increases such an extent as to cause economic losses to crops and health hazards to man, his livestock. A pest is any animal or plant detrimental to humans or human concerns. The terms particularly used for creatures that damage crops, livestock and forestry or cause nuisance to people, especially in their homes. Humans have modified the environment for own purpose and are intolerant of other creatures occupying the same space when their activities impact adversely human objectives. So, in your about description, pest is nothing but the insects. Those are harmful effects on the human beings and its domestic animal or economic crop to damaging to get not higher yielding. So, in this point of view, pest is a severe attacking to every field in your farm, that is a crop specificity difference variety to also growing in your local areas, especially by your area, that is in your Khandesh. The economic crop is the cotton, banana and sugarcane. Out of these three economic crops, also most important to damaging the various pest, and this pest directly or indirectly affects on the economic yielding of the farmer. So in this point of view, the pest affecting the economic crop of the farmer, in this way, to in local areas which type the pests are also affecting in our specific or particular crops. So the pests are classified in the following ways. Pests are classified in five types mainly. First is the agricultural pest, second is store grain pest, third is the animal husbandry pest or veterinary pest, fourth is the public health pest, and five is structural pest. So these five type of the pest. First, to discuss about the agricultural pest. Agricultural pest is knowing to your names the insects or pests which are cause damage to the crop plants are called as agricultural pest. Mainly, crop is nothing but economic crop or the plants which are getting yielding for the farmer. These crops, any kinds of insects are directly or indirectly to damage, also causing the different disease to get less yield of this crop. In agricultural pest, we have the best known example is the red cotton bugs, sugarcane leaf hopper, aphids, etc. This particular type of the pests or insects are attacking our the highly yielding important plants. That is, the real cotton bug is the best of the cotton. Pyrilla or leaf hopper, it is called sugarcane leaf hopper, is the most dangerous pest on the sugarcane. Aphids also directly or indirectly affects on the cotton or many more cotton seeds as well as jawar crops to affecting by the severe effects. Second type of pest is the store grain pest. In store grain pest, in your names, the insects which attack on food as well as store grains are called as store grain pest. In your houses, the farmers or in your godowns, the farmers which are storage, the excess yielding of the crops are stored in the warehouses of the government godowns. Also, the farmer has not selling the excess amount of your yield of the yielding crops not in your markets at this time is storage in your storehouses as well as godowns. These grains or store foods are attacking by the particular type of the insects. It is called a store grain pest. In store grain pest, two as a main important examples as a rice weevils, pulse beetles. Rice weevils is also in Marathi it is called as a dhanur or sonde. Pulse beetle is nothing but attacking on the different kinds of the pulses are storing in godowns as well as houses in large times at this time directly attacking by the store grain pest. Third type of the pest is animal husbandry pest or veterinary pest. This type of the pest or insects which are causing injurious to domestic animals are called as veterinary pest. This type of the pest is most important as pet animals or animals, domesticated animals, also attacking the different and spreading the different kind of disease. For example, in animal husbandry pest, horse flies, horror flies, and stable flies. These kinds of the different flies which are spreading the different kinds of disease to particular or this animal husbandry pest. So few more remaining pests are discussing to next lectures. Thank you, thank you, thank you.